This one is super bright, but we're missing an egg lantern. Look at that. The indicator's super dim. You barely can see that. Oh. I really wish one day they would just turn off these fans just so we can hear the motor. How do you turn off the fan? Oh, right. No, it's just stopping now. Oh! Oh, the fan switch is right there. Levels really fast.